Hello everyone. So in the back we have two objects. It's a very well-known toy in the world. It's a Rubik's Cube. And the second thing is actually empty jar that look like this, okay? Nothing inside the jar. I've been trying very hard to think how to actually immortalize magic moment, okay? In magic moment, which means that actually it's a known fact that magic only happens in the mind of the audience. So right now I'm just going to try to do something with it. So a cube and an empty glass jar. Watch closely everyone. 1, 2, 3. Listen. It seems that something this is an impossible object.